We began in 2001 with 2 entrepreneurs and a vision to provide quality services. Today, we've grown into a leading contract manufacturer to the medical device industry. We are Quality Tech Services, better known as QTS. We provide critical end-of-line processes and services to medical device manufacturers, enabling them to bring finished devices to market quickly while minimizing risk and cost. We are ISO 13485 certified, FDA registered, and our full suite of services can be tailored to your specific device. As part of the growing Cretex medical family of companies, we have access to the complementary services of our sister companies, and so do you. Plus, Cretex is family-owned and has been for over 100 years, providing us with the capital to scale to your production needs. QTS works out of 2 locations in Minnesota, right in the center of the Twin Cities Medical Hub. Together, our facilities offer 95,000 square feet of intuitively designed space, including multiple ISO Class 7 clean rooms, a Class 8 critical inspection suite, an engineering lab, and an expansive warehouse. We work in multiple market segments, including neuromodulation, orthopedic, spine, dental, and drug delivery. Our team will assist you in developing a package system that is effective and appropriate for your device. Our rigorous package and seal validations ensure your package complies with ISO and ASTM industry standards. We are experts in medical device label development, printing, and verification, so you don't have to be. Our critical inspection services are performed in a climate-controlled environment with state-of-the-art equipment and certified staff. We offer a wide range of cleaning and passivation options with both our automated and standard cleaning lines. QTS utilizes certified clean rooms, validated equipment, highly trained technicians, and ISO-documented procedures to provide services ranging from simple component packaging to complex multi-step device assembly and kitting. We offer comprehensive sterilization management. Our certified microbiologists consult with you to provide complete validations and production sterilization coordination. Our supply chain team provides supplier management, sourcing, and inventory control by leveraging our extensive network of industry-recognized and approved suppliers. We employ a robust quality management system with change control tracking for complete traceability of your device. With more than 170 employees, our cross-functional teams give you the personalized service you deserve from the beginning through routine production. Our consultative approach ensures that your project receives technical expertise, responsiveness, and attention to quality. Getting your life-saving device to market on time has a direct impact on your success, which is the only way we measure ours. QTS. A better approach, a better solution.